Oscar and Emmy weather a hurricane. Experience a natural disaster through the eyes of kittens Oscar and Emmy as you learn the importance of natural disaster emergency preparation kits for animals. Oscar and Emmy Weather a Hurricane is inspired by the author's personal encounter with Hurricane Harvey. A must-read for any family with pets, especially if you live in areas affected by natural disasters such as hurricanes, tornadoes, and/or earthquakes. And also a detailed pet safety disaster kit list to help you be more prepared for any natural disaster. Oscar and Emmy Weather a Hurricane by Terry Sable. Illustrated by Natalie Merhab. Order your copy today and visit the author online.